Welcome to my channel GK for all competitive exams. Today ICAR IARI Technician T1 result out. In this video I am going to show you how to check the result of ICAR IARI Technician T1 exam. Let's start. First of all, you have to visit official website of ICAR iari.res.in or else you can enter in Chrome or Google ICAR official website. You can get information. After opening website, you can get information like this. Here you have to click on ICAR IARI post for technician T1. After that, you can get information like this. Here, first one, candidate may check their individual marks up to 36/2022 by using their user ID and password. With this information, you can click on this. With this, you can get your individual marks details. And next one here, declaration of marks and publishing of scorecard of computer-based test held on 20th Feb, 2nd March, 4th March and 5th March 2022, 3 shifts on each date for the post of technician T1. After clicking this, you can check your individual marks. After clicking on individual marks option, you can get window like this. Here you have to enter your user ID and password and enter CAPTCHA. Then click on login. You can get your individual details and personal details and scorecard. After that, declaration of marks and publishing of scorecard of computer-based test held on 20th Feb, 2nd March, 4th March and 5th March 2022, 3 shifts on each date for the post of technician T1. After clicking on this option, you can get information like this. Here, declaration of marks and publishing of scorecard on computer-based test held on 20th Feb, 2nd March, 4th March and 5th March 2022, 3 shifts on each date for the post of technician T1 regarding. Here, previously ICAR advertised 641 vacancies. Now vacancies are increased. It is 802. For UR 345, for SC 123, ST 64, OBC 189, EWS 81, PWBD 17, ex-servicemen 26. Marks scored by the last candidate in respective category. UR 61.786, 52.902, 49.893, 58.166, 57.843, OH PWBD, in that OH 36.700, HH 43.330, VH 56.098, others 43.427, ex-servicemen 36.130. If you have any doubts about user ID and password, please call on helpline number 02261087573. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Never forget to share your results in comment section. Thank you. I hope everyone get good results.